morning, guys. So today is one of the big days. Today we are finally taking out the harvester, and we will try to do some maintenance job on this before we start to harvest. The plan is to harvest next week on Thursday, so I will try to have this video out by then. What we need to do is to take off this tire because we think it's broken. So we did eventually get the tire off, and I delivered it to our local car mechanic shop. I also ordered some oil and the filter. So it is a few days later now, and we had an incident for the weekend. One of the front twin tires of the Vatra broke. So I'm heading out to the same shop with another tire, and hopefully, I doubt it, but hopefully they finish the first tire so we can put it back on the machine. The plan today is to bring the machine to our workshop, so we have all the tools and we know where they are, and we can change oil like we want to. So I will bring the tire to the dealer, and then the guys will meet me at the other farm to bring the tractor and the machine without the harvest unit on, and we will put that later, I think. So I got the wheel delivered to the mechanics. Unfortunately, the other wheel wasn't finished, but I hope it will finish during the week. So now I'm heading back over to the machine location, and hopefully the guys are there so we can bring the machine back to our workshop. So we did eventually make it back home. Always fun to drive on the road. Not. So the plan today is to change oil, but they haven't received the oil yet at the shop. But I believe I saw some oil back here, and you can pretend you didn't see all the mess. No. So we want to change oil on the gearbox and hydraulic, but this one is not the right one. This is hydraulic oil, but not enough. But we can start to drain the machine at least, so. So while that all drains, we have to check a little bit on this twin wheel. We have some issues with not us being able to strengthen it as much as we can. So it keeps spinning when we harvest. And when the pickup unit is sitting here, it's hard to do anything about it. So we will try to put one more of these rings, have another handle here, so we will try to take off this ring and put 2 rings on this wheel. So it wasn't that easy because it has a ring here that I have to cut if I want to use this ring. I'm not sure if I'm willing to sacrifice this well-working handle. So I have another plan. Yep, we made a fire to keep the mosquitoes away. So if I'm able to get this handle out, I can try to weld some pieces on the inside of this ring, so we were able to strengthen a little bit more.
Okay, so it will work, but I will have to wait until we finished draining the oil because this dome doesn't quite catch yet, so I need to put something under the main wheel to lift it up, and then I can strengthen the rest. But it will work for sure, so I will take that off my checklist and go on to the next. So the boys are taking off the twin wheels and disconnecting the rotary trencher, because they will come to pick up the tractor today. Had another oil leak for the 5th time. So they will come in the afternoon, and I think they will replace it with the Valtra. So I will leave that as a surprise for you to the end of the video. Meanwhile, I want to work on this tire. I want to disconnect it, and I will have to. I will show you where it will sit. It will sit on the outer side of this tire that we have taken to the workshop. It will sit here, but it tends to break loose. It's only had this bolt that will strengthen it, but I want to drill a hole all the way between or through this I think it's 3-inch pipe square. And the sensor for the speed of the pickup unit is sitting on that tire, so I already fixed it one time last year. Now it's off, disconnected again. I think the connections are good. Yep, so let's start. I have a bolt that's stuck, so I will have to heat it and let's see if I can get it loose. Alright, so we got the wheel on, but it didn't fit, so we have to adjust it a little bit. The guys are working on that now. Meanwhile, I will work on the oil. I won't film that. I'm pretty sure you've seen a bunch of guys filling oil before, so
yeah, that's pretty much everything to be done. We are almost ready. We need to put the pickup unit, of course, and we will have to change the belt on the actual machine, but that's for tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Be sure to watch all of my other videos, and be sure to follow me on Instagram. And as promised, here comes the new Valtra that we borrowed for a while.